Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav, and from this video we are going to start our new course or a subject that is known as petroleum refining. So this course is generally studied in the 6th or 7th sem of chemical engineering, as well as it is studied in the diploma for chemical engineers or petrochemical engineers. So in this subject, what we are going to learn, so let us discuss about it. So the objective of this course is generally divided into three parts. So first two chapters we will try to develop a fundamental and understanding on various unit operations and unit processes involved in petroleum refinery. So we will start with what is refinery, how it looks, and first we will see about the flow sheet of petroleum refining, and then we will study each component of refinery. Then we will try to understand the operation and importance of various conversion process employed in refinery. Okay, so we will see about various processes for conversion of petroleum to different products. Okay, next to discuss various characterization techniques and testing method for different petroleum fractions. So for different types of petroleum products that are obtained after refining of a crude oil, there are various methods for characterizing it. Like we need to characterize petrol, so we do a octane number test. So likewise we have many other tests for each and every product, so we will try to learn about it. Okay, so let us see what is the course. Okay, so this is a course. So let me tell you one thing, this is a course that is what my university has followed, and this is a PPT that was made by my professor. So I have already directly taken a screenshot of it and sharing with you, so I will also follow the same pattern. So in the first chapter we will do evaluation and characterization of crude oil and petroleum products. So first we will see about different industries present on for petroleum. Okay, so we will see about different industries. Then we will see about the pre-treatment of crude oil before passing it to the refinery. Then we will see about petroleum, something that is related to petroleum, how we take it out and all things. Then we will see thermal properties and characterization. So this is what the basic introduction chapter number 1. Okay, in the next chapter we will see about fractionation and pre-treatment of crude oil. So in this chapter we will see various unit processes and operations like dehydration, desalting. Then we will see pipe still heaters, heating of crude, vacuum distillation, atmospheric distillation. Then we will see treatment techniques for treatment of gas, treatment of kerosene, treatment of gasoline. Then we will see about production and treatment of LPG and LNG. So generally we will cover basics of the refinery, like we will overview all the unit operation and processes of refinery in this chapter. So this is chapter number 2. In the third chapter we will see about thermal and catalytic processes. So here we will see all the equipments that are generally used for preparation of petrol and diesels mostly. So we will see about thermal catalytic processes like FCC, catalytic cracking, then coking technology, and all are the different operations that we do on petrol or crude oil. So all this we will be going to start from our next video. So in next video we will see or start with the origin and occurrence of Indian petroleum industry. So I hope you will like all the videos. So please subscribe us, and don't forget to press the bell button so that you will be notified for every video we upload. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.